Hello, welcome. Today we're going to be looking at the types of sound that we have. And there are two major classifications of sound. We have what we call musical notes, or we have what we call noise. It's either your sound is making sense. When it's making sense, we call it musical notes. And when it's not making sense, we call it noise. How do we produce a musical note? When we have regular vibration. When regular vibration from mediums. When the sound produced by mediums have regular vibrations. But when there is irregular vibration, we have what we call noise. Is that clear? And these musical notes that are caused by regular vibrations, they have characteristics. And these are pitch, loudness, and what? Quality. So we're going to look at all these. So musical notes and noise. This is X, noise. Sounds are classified into two: musical notes or noise. Musical notes or tones are produced by body undergoing regular vibrations at constant frequencies. They differ from one another. And we have the characteristics of these musical notes. How do we identify that this very sound is a musical note? Number one, it has what we call pitch, which is the position of a note in the musical scale. And we already know the musical scale of do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. And it depends actually on the frequency of the sound. It increases as the frequency increases. So whenever the frequency of the sound that is coming out, when the frequency is increasing, the pitch is also increasing. Now we'll talk about the quality or timbre. Quality or timbre of a sound, of a musical note, actually depends on the combination of overtones and harmonics. Overtones or harmonics. So what are overtones or harmonics? Overtones or harmonics are actually notes of higher frequency than the fundamental note. So any note that has higher frequency than the fundamental note, call it overtone or harmony. Now, this quality actually helps you to differentiate notes that are coming from different instruments. If you're playing a guitar or a drum, the quality of the sound tells you that this sound is coming from a guitar, this sound is coming from a piano. Now, thirdly, we have what we call loudness, which depends on the amplitude of the vibration producing the note. So if the amplitude of the vibration producing the note is very much, you have loud noise or loud sound actually. Now we look at intensity. Intensity is the flow of energy by unit area perpendicular to the direction of wave. I equal to E, energy all over area. That is what intensity is. And this intensity is dependent on the density of air. It's also dependent on the square of frequency, and it's also dependent on the square of the amplitude. Very important. Now, we say that sound is classified into musical notes and noise. What is noise? Noise is produced by irregular disturbance, which sets up an irregular train of refraction and compression in the air medium. So, irregularity in sound, that's actually what causes noise. It doesn't make more sense. Now, we'll talk about beats. Beats are produced by two sources of sound of nearly but not exactly the same frequencies, but similar amplitude. They are caused by interference. So we have what we call beats. When you go to a studio, you say you're making beats. So beat is actually a combination of sounds of nearly equal frequency, but not exactly, very near. So that it makes sense. So you do beats in studio, combine different sounds, two sounds, beats produced by two sounds. It has to be two types of nearly what? Nearly but not exactly the same frequency, but similar amplitude. So whenever we're talking about amplitude, we're talking about loudness. But whenever we're talking about frequency, we're talking about pitch. So almost equal pitch and loudness. Combine the two from two different sounds gives you a very nice beat. Please, if you like this, hit the subscribe button. Share this. If you have any questions, drop it on the comment section. Thank you. God bless you.